Ever wondered what ecological gap the extinct woolly mammoths left behind in the Arctic? These colossal creatures were not just iconic Ice Age inhabitants, they were pivotal in shaping the landscape and maintaining biodiversity. The woolly mammoths, with their hulking frames and sweeping tusks, were formidable engineers of the Arctic environment. They grazed on shrubs and small trees, preventing the landscape from becoming a dense forest and fostering a rich, grassy ecosystem known as the mammoth steppe. This in turn supported a diverse cast of flora and fauna. But with their extinction around 4,000 years ago, the Arctic lost these vital ecosystem architects, leading to a significant shift in its landscape and biodiversity. The mammoth's absence left an ecological void in the Arctic, a void that has prompted scientists to ponder, how can we replace these lost giants? Could another species perhaps step in to fill their mammoth-sized shoes? So, can this ecological void be filled? The answer is yes, and the solution might surprise you. Welcome to the ambitious project of introducing bison to the Russian Arctic. Imagine a time when woolly mammoths lumbered across the icy plains of the Arctic. Their heavy footprints tilled the soil, their appetite for vegetation shaped the landscape, and their very existence played a significant role in the region's ecology. But with their extinction, a void was left. A void that scientists and conservationists are now trying to fill with the introduction of bison. Yes, you heard it right. Bison, the mighty beasts from the North American plains, are being transported thousands of miles to the Russian Arctic. The goal? To replace the ecological niche that was left empty by the mammoths. The project, aptly named the Mammoth Replacement Plan, is as audacious as it sounds. It's a grand attempt to rewild the Arctic, to restore its ancient ecosystem, and to possibly mitigate some of the effects of climate change. But the journey hasn't been easy. Acclimatizing bison to the harsh Arctic conditions is a challenge of monumental proportions. The freezing temperatures, the stark landscapes, the scarcity of food, all these factors pose significant hurdles. Yet the teams involved are undaunted. They formed partnerships with zoos, universities, and research institutions across the globe, pooling their knowledge and resources to make this seemingly impossible dream a reality. The initial successes and setbacks have been a learning curve. There have been losses, yes, but there have also been births. The first generation of Arctic bison, and these sturdy animals are adapting. They're learning to forage in the snow, to withstand the cold, to thrive in a land that is so different from where they originated. Behind the scenes, scientific research is ongoing. Every step, every development is being documented, studied, and analyzed. The data collected will not only inform the future of this project, but will also contribute to our understanding of species adaptation and climate change mitigation strategies. While the project is still in its early stages, the bison are already beginning to reshape the Arctic landscape. This is the story of the bison arrival and mammoth replacement plan, a testament to human ingenuity, perseverance, and our enduring commitment to the preservation of our planet. The impact of this project is expected to be immense. Through the introduction of bison into the Russian Arctic, we're not just replacing the long-gone woolly mammoths, but triggering a cascade of ecological benefits. Imagine a restored Arctic ecosystem, teeming with life and biodiversity, where every species plays its part in maintaining a balance. And that's not all. By trampling the snow and exposing the underlying soil, our bison friends could even help to mitigate climate change. This is because the exposed soil freezes in the winter, reducing the thawing of permafrost and the release of greenhouse gases. As for the future, the vision is clear and far-reaching. This is only the beginning. The plan is to extend the Rewilding project, bringing in more species, and creating a living, breathing Arctic Serengeti. As the bison continue their work, we are reminded of the power of nature and the importance of our role in its conservation.